Hello, this is Christy with Christy's Classy Clips, and I'll show you how to use a hairband with more than one band on it. So we've got the elastic band here, and we're just going to use the clips here to add on to the second one. So I've got my second hairband. Simply open up the clasp, and then I'll take the little hook here on the hairband and add it in. And then I'll just bring it over top and clip it onto the other side here. Just like that. Now I'll bring it over my head. Now I've got two hairbands on. And you can do this with up to 3. It'll be easier if you have the thinner ones to use them with. You can customize your style all you want. Find all the hairband designs on my site. I hope you like this look, and have a good day.